Hello guys, today I have another video to share with you, and this is about a wind noise coming from the windshield. This is a 15 Corolla LE again, and I'm hearing a wind noise coming from the top part here, like where the windshield meets the body, like around here. At first it sounded like it was coming from the dash over there, but I checked the seals around the windshield, like down there, and it looked fine. However, there's like a deformation here. I don't know if you can hear it, but and we're doing like 40. It happens around 30 to 40. Then it gets louder when you speed up. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it is a wind noise. It's definitely not normal, and I'll show you how to fix that real quick. And again, my main inspection was like around here. Just, you're looking for any cracks or opens or seals, misalignments, or anything like that. This is not a big deal. I mean, the noise is not coming from here, it's coming from up top for sure. Inspect this seal over here. It tends to come off from that side. I don't know if that happens to your Toyota as well. I tucked it back in and it's holding up for now. I went to the highway and it all seems fine. Again, just go around here, check the seals all around. If you have a wind noise from the window here, you check for this seal over here, this trim piece, and just do visual inspection and see where your problem is. If you suspect an area, what you want to do is tape it. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of videos out there that show you how to diagnose a wind noise, but in this case, I'm sharing this video with you guys for Toyota owners if they have this issue. I mean, they're pretty designed in the same way, so maybe you run through this. Another thing, if you get your windshield replaced, of course, you gotta make sure that this sits like flush with the body, or else the wind noise, you know, it will see this as a barrier, and that's gonna cause wind noise. So you want this to be flush, so the wind will be smoother to go over the body. It's more aerodynamic too. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how to seal that top and retest it and let you know. All right guys, so basically this is what I did. Taped both surfaces, and of course with a glove I just spread out this sealant into this valley and basically make the roof flush with the windshield, so we don't have any resistance when the wind hits and creates that abnormal noise. You see these, they were just like a shop towel that I put here, one of those, you know, blue towels laying there. I just put them here so it doesn't drip. You can also use a wider masking tape and then just flip it at the end or fold it, so this won't go into your windshield. But luckily it just dried up here, so it wasn't that bad. I'm gonna peel this off, and we'll let you listen to how it sounds afterwards. I already drove it around 40-30 miles per hour, and there's a significant difference. The only thing is that I have to be careful peeling this out, so I have to peel it at an angle so it won't take the sealant, as you can see. I hope the sealant that's on the tape will not stick to this and then just, you know, peel it out, but I just want to go like this at a sharp angle, and then you should be bueno. I had some bubbling here, but it's not bad, I guess, whatever. But this should feel smooth, and there isn't like a hard transition from here to here. So yeah, that's basically the idea behind it, and that's how you minimize wind noise. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after I let it cure. You can barely see it. Oh, you see the shiny here. That's how it looks like. I stopped here because it's pretty much sealed over here. Don't have to worry about it, but continued all the way over there, and we're gonna go on a test drive and see if the noise went away. So I'll let you hear it. I hope you can hear it, or you can hear a difference. I don't know, but I'll let you know if I hear any difference. Alright guys, so this is after putting that windshield sealant, and I'm going like 40. That's where it used to do it, like 35, 40, with the flow of the wind hitting the windshield. I don't hear it, and it was really evident when, well, before the fix, and right now it's pretty good. Just make sure that you bridge that gap and make it like flush. Make the windshield flush with the roof, and that wind noise should go away. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I really appreciate it. If you have other concerns, you know, just drop a comment below, and either me or someone with the same issue will answer you. I appreciate your time, and I will see you